Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change the style of your slides on the Canva application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, you should tap on the projects button down below and select the project you would like to edit. After that, you should tap on the plus icon down below in the left side corner of the screen, click on design and tap on styles at the top, which is the third section. As you scroll down, you can find a bunch of options such as color palettes, font sets, image palettes, combinations, and so on. Click on the See All button in the right side to check them out. And if you have found the relevant one that you want to try out, tap on it, click on Apply to All Pages. And here you will be able to check out how it has been applied to the pages, this style. So tap on it, you can replace the color, and feel free to add animation and change the text too. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.